Inside modern recycling yards, heavy machinery reduces vehicles, steel, and industrial materials into reusable resources with precision and control. This is green technology where power serves sustainability. Watch the JD 1050J dozer apply controlled compaction at the scrapyard. Pickup trucks are compressed to reduce volume and optimize storage space. The objective isn't spectacle, it's operational efficiency and smarter land use. Then the massive Cat D11 moves forward with steady authority. Under its tracked weight, a GMC Yukon collapses quickly. Steel yields under pressure, glass fractures, and the structure compacts. It's a reminder of how density reduction improves downstream transport and processing. A simple drop test follows gravity, and structural force flatten metal into manageable form. What looks dramatic is actually a step toward easier recycling logistics. At the Dublin Recycling Centre, hydraulic presses reduce end-of-life vehicles into compacted sections. But crushing isn't the final stage, it's the beginning of material rebirth. Steel is reshaped, sorted, and prepared for re-entry into manufacturing cycles. An excavator's precision shear takes a different approach. Instead of random tearing, it carefully separates roof panels, engines, and components. Wiring harnesses, fluids, and reusable parts are preserved first. Cleaner dismantling means safer recycling and higher recovery value. When a truck reaches the end of its service life, the VTN VDI 20 shear steps in. Controlled compression and cutting reduce heavy steel structures into recyclable fragments. The sound of fracturing metal signals transformation, not waste. Skilled operators demonstrate that machine precision amplifies human expertise. A Kobelco unit methodically disassembles vehicle components, proving that sustainable processing depends on both engineering and experience. At Green Scrap Yard, an F-150 engine is professionally removed before compaction. Responsible dismantling ensures hazardous materials are handled properly before metal enters the crushing stage. When tougher materials appear steel-belted tires and dense industrial waste, the Titan 900 engages with dual-shaft torque. Large, stubborn materials become manageable pieces ready for sorting and reuse. The Zato Blue Devil GF4000 combines dual shaft rotation with 400 horsepower to reduce full vehicle bodies into uniform scrap. Built for endurance, it delivers consistent cuts under continuous metal flow. Some crushers focus on fragmentation. Steel bends, fractures, and separates into smaller sections that move efficiently through recycling lines. What once was a car becomes feedstock. Komar Industry showcases controlled high-torque shredding, processing bulky metals, and industrial waste streams with reliable consistency. Precision dismantling continues as axles and copper wiring are separated cleanly. A 4-ton Cenobogan 830 demolition ball demonstrates mechanical force when breaking reinforced concrete and steel structures. Processing a full-size school bus is a larger challenge. Nearly 12 tons of reinforced steel require layered removal. Hydraulic jaws peel back structural panels until the vehicle is fully reduced and prepared for material separation. The Aljon 20 crusher applies nearly 200,000 pounds of force at its pivot point. Unlike lighter presses, It handles hardened steel frames and engine blocks with steady compression. Hydraulic compactors continue turning vehicles into dense raw material bundles. Recycling isn't about destruction, it's about converting unused metal into future production resources. Crash tests show how reinforced safety bollards can stop a speeding truck within a meter. Engineered steel embedded deep into the ground absorbs and redirects force sustainable infrastructure, protecting lives. Even unexpected equipment like an earth-moving excavator can demonstrate raw structural force against vehicles. While not a standard recycling method, it highlights the strength engineered into heavy machinery. Steel drum recycling transforms industrial waste into reusable raw material, reducing environmental impact and preventing landfill contamination. Heavy pipe cutters slice through thick steel tubing with clean precision. Efficient reduction supports safe transport and further processing. At Rowan Metal Scrap in Preston, UK, vehicles and equipment are methodically cut, crushed, and compacted. The process is loud and powerful, but its purpose is clear, reclaimed material for the next life cycle. Industrial car presses delivering up to 200 tons of force compress vehicles into transport-ready blocks. Space savings improve yard management and reduce shipping emissions per ton. Finally, a near-miss incident reminds us why safety protocols matter. Machinery can be replaced, vehicles can be replaced, human life cannot. In responsible recycling and heavy industry, safety remains the highest priority. This is green technology, where engineering strength meets environmental responsibility, and end-of-life materials become the foundation of new production.